US dollar continues to hover. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has moved very little against the US dollar in Boxing Day trading, but that's not a huge surprise. Most people are more or less still dealing with the after effects of the Christmas holiday. So I do think liquidity ends up being an issue, at least for the next several days. However, it is worth noting that the 1.03 level underneath is a major support level that a lot of people will be focusing on. And as long as we can stay above there, I think there's at least a fighting chance to remain somewhat sideways here. The 1.06 level above is a massive resistance barrier, and it now has the 50-day EMA backing it up. So, with all that being said, I still think it's a fade the rally type of market. The US dollar against the Japanese yen continues to look strong as we are approaching the 158 yen level. The 158 yen level, of course, is an area that's been important a couple of times in the past. So it's not a huge surprise to see it fight a little bit now. If we can break above the 158 yen level, then 159 yen gets targeted, followed by 161.50 yen. Short-term pullbacks at this point are still going to be thought of as potential buying opportunities, all the way down to at least the 155 yen level, which I see as significant support. The Australian dollar initially tried to rally but gave up gains again as it just can't get off of its back. It's obvious to me that the antipodes, the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, are very weak at the moment, and I don't know that this is going to change anytime soon. Any rally at this point in time would have to be looked at with serious suspicion, with the 0.6350 level above being a major resistance barrier. If we break down below 0.62, then it's possible that we could drop down to the 0.60 level, although I don't think it's a free fall. I think it's more of a grind like we've seen over the last couple of months. Regardless, I have no interest in buying the Australian dollar. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.